si Guo Huaping or si Alice Guo hindi lumaki sa farm. Hindi rin siya homeschooled. Nag-aral ho siya.
Nagsinungaling daw si Bamban Mayor Alice Guo nang sabihin nitong homeschooled at lumaki daw siya sa farm. Dahil ayon sa nakalap ni Senator Sherwin Gatchalian na school records, nag-aral ito sa isang Filipino-Chinese high school sa Quezon City, kung saan nag-aral din ng senador. Ayon pa kay Gatchalian, nag-aral daw si Mayor Alice Guo sa Grace Christian High School mula grade 1 hanggang grade 3 noong year 2000 hanggang 2003. Biro pa ng senador, wala daw farm sa kanilang paaralan kung hindi puro building lamang. Ipinakita din ng senador ang kopya ng Alien Certificate of Registration na tumugma sa dokumento mula sa Bureau of Immigration. Ipinakita rin niya ang kopya ng birth certificate nito mula sa China. Gagamitin ng mga dokumentong nakalap upang mapatatag ang isinampang kanselasyon ng birth certificate ng alkalde at ang isasampang co-warranto case upang matanggal ito bilang mayor ng Bamban.
I'll go to Solgen because I read in the papers that you have filed several cases or a case.
No,
Can you give us an update on those cases?
yes. Good afternoon, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, Senator Win. The OSG is confirming that last Friday, the OSG filed a petition for cancellation of the certificate of live birth of Mayor Alice Guo in RTC Tarlac. And last Monday, there was a raffle, and there is already court handling this case. Now it is pending, and we are just waiting for the notice of hearing, and we will pursue this case po.
What are the grounds that you use to justify the cancellation?
Yes, basically we allege non-compliance with the mandatory and prohibitory laws with respect to civil registration systems and guidelines and administrative orders issued by NSO. These are detailed detailed rules which NSO, then now PSA, and we provided that in our petition, Senator Win.
What you're saying is ginamit yung guidelines and rules as a basis to cancel the
Yes.
birth certificate. How about all of these things that came out during the hearing? The fingerprint matching, because ito importante at material to, no? Dahil I think in very maybe first time in the history that a committee managed to get information on fingerprints and nagmatch siya.
Yes.
Magagamit ba ito sa inyong filing of cancellation?
With respect to the cancellation of the certificate of live birth, Senator, we are not using the NBI findings because as far as we are concerned, the COLB of Mayor Guo itself, without going outside of it, it is already fictitious. As a matter of fact, the OSG adopted some of the findings of the honorable senators, and we add more on the issuances of the NSO, particularly Administrative Order 193. Masyado po siyang detailed na we will furnish a copy of the petition filed by the OSG if we are required by the honorable senators.
Please do so.
Thank you so much, Madam Chair.
Kundangan.
Yes.
All of these things that came out, itong mga the fingerprints, the lack of supporting documents in the I think during the first or the second hearing, those were disclosed also during
Yes.
the hearing. Are those going to be relevant in the case?
With respect to the fingerprint, honorable senator, it will not be used in the certificate of live birth because we are just questioning the fictitious entries in the certificate of live birth. However, with respect to the other evidences, because the OSG is still drafting the petition for a co-warranto as confirmed by the Honorable Solicitor General, we will be filing the same, and the OSG is deliberating on documents coming from different government agency, and we will file the co-warranto in due time, Honorable Senator.
Two cases. First is the petition to revoke the the
Certificate of live birth.
certificate of
Yes.
live birth and then the quo warranto case.
Yes.
And what's the objective of the quo warranto?
The quo warranto is to determine the eligibility of Mayor Guo to continue to possess the office of the mayor of Banban. However, in the certificate of live birth, the issue there is the propriety of the issuance, inasmuch as the affidavit of delayed registration is questionable.
So will it be a
Parallel.
or we have to wait for the cancellation first before the quo warranto?
No, it can independently run, Honorable Senator. It is parallel because the issue in the certificate of live birth is the compliance with the civil registration system or the law. And basically, there are entries there which are fictitious and questionable. However, in the quo warranto, it will be more on the eligibility side of Mayor Guo.
But I would assume that the eligibility in question will be the nationality,
Yes.
of
Yes.
which it's
But as of now, I cannot divulge
okay.
any with utmost humility and
Okay.
with all due respect, Honorable
Yeah, I
Senator.
understand.
Thank you so much for the
I
understanding. Po.
understand. I just want to be educated on the process because as we go along, kami ni Senator Risa, we get a lot of tips and information, no? Especially when the real identity of Alice Go came out, no? Si Go Huaping. Kaya merong mga tips na lumabas sa amin at papakita ko ito para makatulong rin sa inyo. Apparently, si Go Huaping or si Alice Go hindi lumaki sa farm. Hindi rin siya homeschooled. Nag-aral ho siya. And I'll show you the proof. No, kahit nga lumabas sa hearing yung totoong pangalan niya, nag-aral siya sa parehas kong school, sa Grace Christian High School, for grades 1, 2, and 3. Year 2000 to 2003. No? So, hindi siya homeschool ni Rubilin. Nag-aral ho talaga ho siya. No? And nung natatandaan ko, sa school ho namin walang farm ho doon. Puro building ho. No? And ito yung kanyang school records. Next will be the in-attach ho kasi pag nag-enroll ka, meron kang mga i-attach mo yung alien certificate of registration mo at lumalabas yung alien certificate of registration niya match doon sa alien certificate of registration na hawak ng Bureau of Immigration. And in that enrollment document, interestingly, meron ding birth certificate galing sa China, no, in Chinese at tinranslate and tinranslate siya sa English. So nakasulat dito na father niya si Guo Jiangjong, alam na ho natin, at ang mother niya ay si Wen Yilin. No? So I just want to put this on record and show to the committee because as we go along, ang dami hong nagpo-provide ng information eh. Kasi nga lumalabas yung totoong identification niya. At gusto ho namin din magamit. Sayang naman itong mga pieces of evidence. Gusto ho namin magamit para lalong tumibay yung kaso na ifina-file po ng ating Solicitor General. Any comment to that?
We will be happy to receive these documents, Honorable Senator, and we will consider the same together with the team, together with the Honorable Solicitor General on the deliberation on the filing of a quo warranto. We submit, Honorable Senator.
Thank you, ASEC Kundangan. I'll just jump to another, with your permission, Madam Chair. I'll take
Yes,
advantage
Senator.
of the presence of the chairman of PAGCOR, who's here with us since 10 a.m. So thank you very much for staying, Chairman. Chairman, naririnig nyo naman yung discussion kanina pa, no? At narinig rin namin yung position ninyo sa media about legitimate pogo, illegitimate pogo. But naririnig nyo rin dito yung discussion namin tungkol sa pogo at yung krimen, no? At kaya ho kami ng mga senador, kasama kami ni Senator Risa, ang position namin i-ban na, no? Dahil nga for the last since 2022, 6 na raid na yung naisagawa ng gobyerno. Almost 6,000 na ang na-deport. No? This is in the last 2 years. At ito lang yung mga nahanap lang natin. No? So, Mr. Chairman, anong gagawin natin? No? Hindi natatapos to at may mga tao katulad ni Mayor Jing na naapektuhan. Narinig nyo naman yung kanyang testimony kanina. Narinig nyo rin nakita nyo yung picture about the torture. Anong gagawin natin ngayon dahil hindi natatapos to? And even during the first hearing, I remember nung nagkaroon ng hearing ang good chairperson natin about that raid in Clark. Narinig ko ang position ng PAGCOR is strong regulation, improvement. But after 2 years, nandito ulit tayo. So, anong gagawin natin?